This pasta recipe is simple, it's easy, just requires a few ingredients, and it's delicious. So you're gonna start off with your choice of vegetables. I started off with some barbecue marinated eggplant, as well as my frozen vegetables, because I told you guys I prep my vegetables and I freeze them so I can use them easily. So that's zucchini and green and red bell pepper, as well as my protein of choice, which are lentils. And lastly, and most importantly, I have my jar of tomato sauce, my homemade tomato sauce. Guys, I want to show you basically through this video how much easier your life will be if you prep your vegetables beforehand. If you have a lot of tomatoes in the fridge, make a tomato sauce, keep it in a jar, freeze it. So one of those days that you're really hungry and you don't have that much time on your hands, all you have to do is to take out the already cooked tomato sauce, defrost it, add it to your pasta, which takes about 10 minutes to boil, and your choice of vegetables, which again were also prepped already, so I don't have to cut up anything. This meal was so easy. I was basically just throwing things together, and it's very simple. You obviously don't have to use lentils. If you don't like lentils, or if you want to use a different type of protein, you can use mince. If you eat mince, you can use soya mince. If you don't eat that kind of mince, just live your life, man. I then topped my bowl of pasta with some tomato sauce, because I love tomato sauce, and some herbs, and I'm also topping it with nutritional yeast, which is basically the vegan version of Parmesan cheese. This pasta dish was so simple and so delicious. It literally took me under 10 minutes to put together because the pasta boiled in like 8. I threw in my vegetables in the last 2 minutes, and my lentils were already cooked, so everything was done. And my jarred tomato sauce. Guys, if you're looking for a sign that you should keep pre-made tomato sauce on hand and prep your vegetables, guys, to cut down on cooking, then this is your sign. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye bye.